Hey guys, my name is Dennis Black and today we are shooting with my friend Miguel who is also a photographer and videographer. We are trying to get that best shot of the day. So after the city we are going to go to the home bush to check a Shipwreck, which is a really nice place. We're gonna get some cool shots over there and fly a drone. So let's get it started. Okay, this is a life hack, how to install the mount, how to install Chinese cheap mount.
So how much did you pay for that?
I don't know, maybe under 10 bucks. Well, it happens again.
What's the moral of the story?
Don't save money on the gear and get a proper gear. We finally made it to Homebush and now we are gonna go and check that shipwreck. So let's check it out.
How was it?
Man, it wasn't easy at all. It was hard to get in there on that ship. Everything is rustic, really old, and I didn't want to damage anything. I was really careful with everything. My GoPro is dead. I forgot to put clip on it, so all of the water came into the GoPro, so I'm not sure if I can save it or not. So yeah, hopefully the footage is good and we got that shot.